Vivian was very nice. She was very firm when she taught us the technique. Hi everyone, my name is Kim. I'm from the Philippines and I am taking the skincare course or the skincare program from Mikwang Beauty Academy. I used to be very interested in skincare. That's why I took the program here in Korea, which is where all the beauty experts are. Studying at Mikwang, it made me more confident, especially with the techniques and the use of machines. And of course, the different kinds of products that they use. I felt like it was very much explained very well. Vivian was very nice. She was very firm when she taught us the techniques. She wanted us to perfect everything, which I think is very good in the long run, especially if you're planning to put up your own business. I think international students should come to Korea, specifically at Mikwang Beauty Academy, to learn more about skincare and hone their skills. Simply because here at Mikwang, they explain the theory to you and then they allow you to practice it and improve your skills on your own, as well as with the guidance of the really good teachers that we have here. I learned a lot about the machines and I feel like in the long run, this will also help me cater to a lot more of the clients, the variety of clients that I will have in the future. I am also very excited to use the products from Mikwang Academy or LBL as well. I feel like through the skills that they have taught me, I will be able to provide the best service. I don't know, maybe January? Or February? Yeah, that's why I want to take the course soon. This special permanent makeup course. I'm planning to open January or February. I already did the nail course, extension course. So I will have like a one-stop shop. A little bit. I think I need to practice a little bit more and then finally open my shop. Korean Mikwang Beauty Academy, 좋아요.